Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to check your Amtrak reservation online. Open the website amtrak.com. Then on the upper right part of the page, you will see an option that says Modify Trip. Click on Modify Trip. Then a pop-up window will appear. On the field provided, enter your reservation/ticket number. Next, enter your email address, first name, middle initial, and last name. After entering all the necessary information, click on the button that says Look Up Ticket. That's how you check your Amtrak reservation online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.